You know, some people say you can have too many tools. I say you can never have enough tools. I think I'm prepared for pretty much anything.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and we're doing something different today. We have been invited by our new sponsor, Teslong, to check out their quick fix toolkit. Now, this thing is 27 pieces, and they sent it to us to check out with you guys and see if you'd be interested in getting one of these for yourself. Because whether you're wrenching on cars or just doing everyday builds, this toolkit promises to be great for everyday world life. So today we're gonna unbox it, take a look at it, see everything that's included in it, so you guys can decide for yourself whether you wanna pick one up. Let's get right to it. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel and a huge welcome to our new sponsor, Teslong. They sent us this quick fix toolkit, TS01-P07. Now let's break down what you get in here and why it actually matters. First off, this isn't some cheap toolkit. This is a high quality toolkit meant to last. And you get a good range of tools in here. You can see you get hammer, screwdriver, pliers, a crescent wrench, utility knife, and a tape measure. Everything you need to do a basic tool job. Now the build quality feels solid, the handles are rugged, and the bits seem like they seat pretty well in this. And everything comes in a solid case that's portable enough to bring with you on location. And everybody knows portability is huge when we're on site. So what that means is instead of carrying a bunch of mismatched tools, you'll have everything where you need it right here in one box for small, light work jobs. And also everyday maintenance. And for a channel that's dealing with cars, golf carts, scooters, having all these tools in one place where I can quickly get to them means a lot to me. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and let you guys see exactly what comes in the Teslong toolkit. Let's throw it out there to the SCSR studio in the garage and take a look at what's inside this thing. All right, in front of me right here is the Teslong Quick Fix Toolkit. This is model TS01-P07 that they sent us to take a look at on Supercar Street Racing. You can see on the front of the box, it says it does have 7 tools included, and it is a toolbox for compact portability. I am hyped for this. I really needed something like this. Look on the front, you can see here, it looks like it comes with a hammer and a wrench and a screwdriver at least. Probably more than that. On the side here is the model number again, TS01-P07. And then on the back here, it does show you everything that comes in it. It's got a claw hammer, a screwdriver, a multi-plier, a crescent wrench, a utility knife, and a tape measure. And it shows you here again, it looks like there's some bit sets as well for your screwdriver. There's a cap for your hammer. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Now it says designed by Teslong in California, assembled in China. There's a support number and email address are down here. So they have a 1-800 number for you to check out. And then of course the barcode right here on the side. The other side of the box just reflects the same thing, and there's nothing on the bottom of the box. And so back to the front here, we need to get this Teslong Quick Fix Toolkit unboxed. And to do that, we have the SCSR patented knife ready to go, as dull as it may be. And inside of the box here, the Teslong is in another plastic condom. I love how flat this is. It already seems like this is going to be easier to work with than a big bulky toolbox. Let's go ahead and get rid of the second plastic condom that is holding us back from accomplishing our job here, as usual. We don't need this plastic where we're going. And check out this cool design here, guys. It's very flat, very compact. It has a handle up here that opens up so it's not always in your way either. And on the side, it has 2 levers that you pull open like that to open up, and then you have to push the button on the front, and then it will simply open up for you just like that. And on top, there is a user manual to show you how to use your tools if you don't understand how. There is a protective foam thing there. And inside, some of the tools were kind of disheveled because probably in shipping. We already can see right here, we have one long driver set, and it does accept all of these bits right here. And it looks like you got a good selection of things like Torx, flatheads, and also Phillips heads. There's also a compact screwdriver, which can be helpful when you don't have enough space. It uses the same bits. You just push these bits out of the kit directly in there, and they are magnetic, so they will not come out as well. Now moving on to the next part of the kit, we do have a fully functional razor blade knife right here. It looks like it uses the long kind of blades, not the regular razor blades that you get at the hardware store that refill. It uses the long kind, and hopefully there are some refills. It sounds like they might be refills inside of there, but let's see, does this thing actually work? It does. It sliced our Teslong toolkit manual directly into pieces. Nice utility knife there included with the Teslong. This is our hammer here. It's got a flathead on that end, and it does have a claw on that end. And it looks like this is the hammer protector. So I'm just going to put it on the hammer and place the hammer so gently right back into its original position. Let's see if it's a hammer. Yep, it's a hammer. Now moving down, we do have a nice adjustable wrench here. You like to call it crescent probably. I call it adjustable wrench. It is very high quality. This has some good weight to it. I feel like these are high quality tools, even though I haven't gotten to spend a lot of time with them yet. Now moving down here, we have our nice measuring tape. It's very readable. It's white with black writing on top, and it does work as it's expected to when you pull it out. And now there is no fractions on the tape. It is just the lines and the larger numbers. So if you were looking for one with fractions, that does not have it, but it does fit back into its slot like it's supposed to. Now it looks like we have some multi-function pliers and cutters because they are needle nose, and also there are slots cut out as well in there, and there's your little cutter for you to cut wire. I think you could probably strip wire with these as well. I think that's what that's for. These are nice needle nose. They're very heavy. They got some weight to them. I think they're going to be great for a lot of the projects that I use. Now that is all that's inside of the Teslong box. Let's see how easy it is to pack right back up and take with us. So if you just close that, I heard the lock latch. Okay, so to latch it back, you just simply push those two back in. This thing is ready for transport. It is solid. I don't see any reason why you would not be able to use this for any regular job around the house. And that's all for the Teslong unboxing on Supercar Street Racing. Everything's out of the box now. You can see it all here professionally organized, and the Teslong toolkit gives a vibe of professionalism, not some cheap toolkit made of plastic. The tools are neatly organized, the case is compact, and everything feels secure inside of the case, like it's not going to fall out. Inside of the kit, we have hammers, we have screwdrivers, we have a razor knife, an adjustable wrench, and some nice needle nose pliers with cutters. This thing is so perfect for working on cars too, or golf carts, or scooters, or any power sports you have. Exactly what you need for working in tight spots so you don't go stripping bolts and screws.
You know, some people say you can have too many tools. I say you can never have enough tools. I think I'm prepared for pretty much anything.
Enough of that. We want to know if you guys are interested in buying your own toolkit. So in order to do that, we're going to have to throw it inside to Studio B so you can go ahead and see where you can get your own Teslong 27-piece toolkit. Let's throw it inside. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Supercar Street Racing in Studio B, getting ready for CES 2026. We will be there January 6th through the 8th. But right now, our concentration is on the Teslong 27-piece home repair toolkit. This thing was awesome. It looks high quality. I think you should check it out. Go ahead and grab one from the link in the description. You guys, for 252,000 subscribers and my first 1 million view video. We're gonna get out of here right now. We got so many videos to edit, it's hurting my hands.